Hey, it's Nurse Kathleen, and I'm here to tell you who the winner is for the drawing for the book from this video right here. And if you want to go back and watch the video, it's got some good information in it. I'm outside today in Florida. One of the reasons I wanted to record outside is, for those who didn't know, my mom had a stroke a week from Monday ago, and we had been in the hospital for over 4 days. And so being a nurse, obviously I'm not going to leave her in the hospital alone, but anyway, not much sleep. But I'm glad to be outside. I'm glad she's alive and everything's okay. Anyway, this book, it is a revised and expanded edition of what was written in 1988. It actually got the prestigious Ben Franklin Award for the best book on health. And it really discusses how our thoughts and our mood and our beliefs in our mind, how it makes us sick. There's a lot of good information in it, and I find it to be very true. I'm an RN almost 30 years, mainly neurology, cardiovascular, lungs, GI, did work some mental health and things like that, but how we think really does affect everything. But I'm also holistic, and I've been practicing that using different products and things for over 15 years. And like I said, a holistic practitioner and a nurse of 30 years, and also a licensed massage therapist. Here's the book. The wind's not cooperating, but I don't really care. Here's the book. It's a great book. And so the winner So Heather, I just want to say congratulations, and I will be in contact with you and get your mailing address and get this sent to you. And congratulations, and I really appreciate you watching the video. I will leave a link below if there's any books available. I think there should be one in every household. It's really good. And also I'm going to leave a link below on some of the things that I use holistically. And I want to say this, that I am really here to help people. It's not about the money. I could charge $200, $300 an hour for consultation fees. Anybody that purchases through my link gets free access to me. So there's no consultant fee or anything like that. I'm willing to walk people through things. I've been doing it free for almost 30 years. Anyway, I appreciate everybody's support. I really appreciate you watching my videos. And if you like what you hear, please like, share, subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for your time.